Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about smart contracts. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more contents like this. Also, turn on the notification button to be notified when I post contents that will help you in your DeFi journey. Let's begin. A smart contract is a self-executing contract with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. It is an application of blockchain technology, specifically popularized by platforms like Ethereum. Smart contracts allow parties to automate, verify, and enforce the performance of agreements without the need for intermediaries, such as banks, lawyers, or other centralized authorities. Smart contracts operate based on predefined conditions and trigger actions automatically when those conditions are met. These conditions are typically written in a programming language specifically designed for smart contracts. Once deployed on the blockchain, the contract becomes immutable, transparent, and tamper-proof, providing enhanced security and trust. Traditional contracts involve parties agreeing on terms and conditions and relying on legal enforcement if any party fails to fulfill their obligations. Smart contracts, on the other hand, utilize decentralized networks and cryptographic algorithms to automate contract execution, enforcement, and payment. The terms and conditions of the contract are written in computer code, and the contract is stored and executed on a blockchain platform. Smart contracts find applications in various fields, including finance, supply chain management, real estate, voting systems, and more. For example, in finance, smart contracts can be used to facilitate peer-to-peer lending, automatic payments, decentralized exchanges, and token offerings, among other financial transactions. Overall, smart contracts enable more efficient, secure, and transparent agreements, streamlining processes and reducing costs by eliminating intermediaries and increasing automation in contract execution. Benefits of smart contracts: speed, efficiency, and accuracy. Once a condition is met, the contract is executed immediately. Because smart contracts are digital and automated, there's no paperwork to process and no time spent reconciling errors that often result from manually filling in documents. Trust and transparency. Because there's no third party involved, and because encrypted records of transactions are shared across participants, there's no need to question whether information has been altered for personal benefit. Security. Blockchain transaction records are encrypted, which makes them very hard to hack. Moreover, because each record is connected to the previous and subsequent records on a distributed ledger, hackers would have to alter the entire chain to change a single record. Savings. Smart contracts remove the need for intermediaries to handle transactions, and by extension, their associated time delays and fees. Clinical trials. Data sharing between institutions is vital to effective clinical trials. With the support of smart contracts, professionals can seamlessly share data across the industry. Blockchain technology can also help with the authentication of the data to ensure it is accurate. This is a game changer for those trying to launch wide-reaching clinical trials. Smart contracts have many uses in the healthcare industry. Music industry. Emerging music artists depend on streaming income as they get started in the industry. Smart contract applications can make royalty payments easier. For instance, these contracts can include which percentage of the royalty income goes to the record label and the artist. These payments can happen instantly, which is a major win for all parties involved. Tune.fm, for example, is a tokenized music economy that helps artists get paid directly for every second streamed using JAM tokens. Artists can mint apps for exclusive content and sell them directly to fans for JAM tokens. Supply chain management. As self-enforcing contracts, smart contracts can operate autonomously without the need for any intermediaries or third parties. If you designed a smart contract for an end-to-end supply chain, this would require no daily management or auditing. Any deliveries received outside the schedule could trigger pre-agreed escalation measures to ensure a smooth operation. DataHash, formerly Entrust, is Australia's first full-service agricultural supply chain platform. It is working to thwart the $3 billion a year market in fraudulent wine. The platform relies on Hedera Consensus Service to trace its data in a trusted way. Property ownership. You can use smart contract technology to offer fractional ownership of real estate, Rather than one person owning a property, you can segment ownership so people can buy tokens of the property. When someone owns a token, they co-own a percentage of the property. This makes it easy for anyone to jump on the property market and make micro-investments. Mortgages. The mortgage industry needs a massive overhaul. It's currently bloated with costly third parties and time-consuming processes. Smart contracts can ensure that lenders and loan seekers agree to clear terms and conditions, such as proof of funds and payment planning. This emerging technology can validate mortgage transactions without the need for any lawyers or other third parties. Retail. Smart contracts can help to streamline administrative processes that are often a burden to brick-and-mortar retailers. Retailers can create smart contracts to enable fast payments to contractors. Another possibility: digitize payroll administration and track it in real time. Retailers also can place unique blockchain identifiers on inventory units to create visibility across supply chains. In this sector, Drop enables micropayments for small value transactions in both cryptocurrency and dollars. Merchants save money and grow their business, and consumers get convenient access to products and services. Digital identity. From reputational data to digital assets, you can store components on a smart contract to form a digital identity. When smart contracts are connected to various online services, the counterparties can learn about the individuals without revealing their identities. Smart contracts could contain credit scores that lenders can use to measure potential risk. For example, MyEarth ID is a decentralized identity management system that allows users to control their digital identity data and securely verify it with third parties. Recording financial data. Smart contracts can help to facilitate accurate and transparent data collection. When it comes to recording financial data, smart contracts can radically reduce costs for auditing and ensure compliance. These smart contracts can execute set financial rules without the need for any intervention. This can streamline administrative workflows and save accountants time. At another intersection of smart contracts and finance, Alliance Block is building a protocol to bridge decentralized finance, DeFi, and traditional financial services. TradFi, Alliance Block's Alliance Bridge, is a validator network leveraging the Hedera consensus service. Voting in elections. Smart contracts could create a secure environment for voting, reducing the risk of potential voter manipulation. Each vote using a smart contract is ledger protected. Due to the encryption, these are incredibly hard to decode. Smart contracts could also increase voter turnout. With an online system powered by smart contracts, there is no need to travel to a polling station. Insurance sector. The insurance world is full of disputes. With this in mind, smart contracts have an important role to play in automating policies and services in the insurance industry. This can help to reduce insurer costs and result in lower premiums. With automated claims payment processes powered by smart contract technology, policyholders can get paid faster than through current manual processes.